Hi, I'm Tonia from Greenhouse Creative, and I am coming to Rocket Spark launch this year to share with you all some insights into how I have grown my business through collaboration and partnership with my clients, with contractors, and with Rocket Spark over the past 6 years. So, the piece of advice that I would give my 10-year younger self is to never underestimate the value of your relationships in business. So, the bottom line for me is always to do whatever I can to maintain a good business relationship. And also, it's really important to make the distinction and to know which relationships are worth you investing in. So, that's finding quality relationships, that is finding people whose values align with your own. So that even if you work alone in your business, like I do, and like I have done for the best part of 20 years, if you can build a network of referrers, alliances, contractors, partners, and cheerleaders behind you, you'll always have opportunities available to you and you will never feel alone. So, I encourage you to come along to launch. Yes, to invest in yourselves and to invest in your businesses and in your professional development. But most importantly for me, I think, is to just be a part of that Rocket Spark community and invest in those relationships. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there and getting reacquainted after a year of Zoomies and cancellations. I'm also really looking forward to meeting the newest members of the Rocket Spark community. I'm absolutely sure that you will all leave feeling energized and inspired to take your businesses to new heights in 2021. See you there.